Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as usual I'm in my sitting room, so if you can hear that's my dog snoring his head off. So yeah, I will just show you him. There he is. And also, you've got my new gadget, which is my Home Medics foot massager, and that is really good. I will show you it if you want to. At one stage, at one point, if you want to see it working, I will show you that, but that is my dog snoring. So yeah, and today we have got an unboxing. It is the cruelty free box, and I am just going to get the information up now on the computer. Right, so what I got is the makeup one, and mine is £19. Wait, £19 I think it is. So yeah, so right, let's just see what the price is. I'm sure it is £19. Yes, this is £19.95 a month. I have cancelled with them because I need to save some money, because I've got other things that I'm going to be doing. So yeah, so I need to save some money, so some of the boxes are going, if they're not really, well, what would I put it, sometimes this box is good and sometimes it can just be like that. So yeah, so this one hasn't really won any of my battle of the boxes, monthly ones, so yeah, so that's why it was going. But I will be doing, I've done Rock-a-Box, I think I've done Rock-a-Box, and Look Fantastic and all of those, and Glossy Box I have already done. Right, so okay, so there isn't an easy way of doing it like this way, isn't it? That's the easiest way. So yeah, so here we go. As you see it, there it is, this month's February edition. I don't see that yet. Right, okay, so I'll just see if we can get any information on this box. So what is cruelty free? What is the cruelty free? When a company is cruelty free, they should stand by all of the following. 1, they do not test on animals, which is really good, at any point during production of their products. 2, they do not allow third parties to test their products at all. Right, so I'm just grabbing my copy. Right. 3, the ingredients they use from suppliers are not tested on animals. 4, they do not allow countries to test on animals when required by law. Example, cosmetics sold in China are required by law to be tested on animals. So yes, so if you buy any makeup from China, you will know, that it has been tested on animals. You are not getting animal cruelty free when you buy from China. So then, yeah, so. And number 5, they are not owned by a company who isn't cruelty free, etc. The Body Shop is owned by L'Oreal. The last one depends on preference for a lot of people. For us, we will always have all 5 of the above ticked. No ifs or buts or maybes. Companies we collaborate with will have to sign our company cruelty free policy to be in our boxes. Finally, be careful of fake, not tested on animal logos. They don't always mean cruelty free. If you're unsure, then always, sorry, I had to get another drink of coffee. So yeah, so we're up to, if you, it says, they don't always mean cruelty free. If you're unsure, then always do your research and ask the company for the cruelty free animal testing statement. We're here to make the side of shopping for cruelty free easier. You can always drop us an email and we will be happy to help. with any worries or questions. So yeah, so it just says email hello the cruelty-free-beauty-box.co.uk, and so it does say that they are 100% cruelty free and vegan. I do like cruelty free products, it's just that I need to actually save some money, so that's why they've gone. Sorry if that disturbed you. It's just I have got one of these. Oh, there it went off again. So that I use these all the time. So that was that. Right, so let's just get into this box. I've already spent 5 minutes on just actually telling you about cruelty free. Right, okay, so we're just going to open the February edition and pull out an item. Oh, we got, it looks like a bag of sweets. Yes, it looks like you know, like them 10-pence mix-ups that you used to buy, but it looks like a bag of sweets. This is like honey pie minerals. Right, so let's just get rid of that and let's just see what it is. And it's not a bag of sweets. It's just not a bag of sweets. What is it? Ooh, it looks interesting. It's a candy blush. So there, see it? Right, so let's just see if it has a web page and what it says about it. It is the honey pie. So yeah, honey pie minerals. So here we go. Right. So honey pie minerals is a natural cruelty-free mineral makeup, which is good, which I thought it would be. This is a, what is it? This is the blusher. So it just says about it. So yes, it goes on about the story of the childhood upbringing in the rural countryside of England. Our founder Claudia grew up to love beauty and all things natural. After many years of suffering from the woes of acne, breakouts and oily skin, scaring directly linked to the ingredients found in high street skincare, she began her quest to produce pure and healthy mineral cosmetics. Claudia started handcrafted beautiful mineral makeup for herself with amazing results. Soon enough, her sister, mother, grandmother and her friends were all wearing the natural minerals. Honey pie minerals were born. Right, okay, so this is it. So there we go, a little bit of information on about it. So this has got like a awkward, what is it, awkward. Right, so I'm going to need my tweezers, I think, for this. So I don't think it's going to open. Right, I'll just put this on pause. Right, so I have actually finally got into it, so now I'm just going to tip a bit into this lid and let's just test it out. So this is like a brush and I just, what? Wow, oh, that is like a really nice colour. I do like that colour. So now I'm just going to do the other side. It feels really nice going on. It gives it like a little shimmer, a bit of a shimmer, and it's like, I do like that colour. It doesn't have much of a scent, but that is really nice. So then we're going to go back into the box and let's just pull out one more item. Right, what is this? Oh, this is, what is it? A mascara. Wow, I think that this month's box is going to be my best month's box that I had from the Cruelty Free. So this is the Medusa mascara and let's get the information upon that. So Medusa makeup, Medusa mascara. So here official site for it. So, and we want, oh, Medusa does have a cruelty free box as well. So yeah, so they do their own, it's all cruelty free, and they also have a beauty box as well. So we are shopping for mascara, so let's just get a little bit of information on this one. So yeah, so here I have got the web page, and the web page, I shall show you it because it's just what I'm going to do. I will show you. Sorry, can you see that? There is the web page. Right, okay. So yeah, so and here is the mascara. Let's just get the information up on it. Does it have any information? So yeah, so this is going to be the Black Noir, and it's just telling me that it's $12 to buy this one. And yeah, so that is it there, and just have a little go. It's super bendy, so that would like be ideal to bend around your eyelashes, and it's like really black, so I do like that. It's really nice and easy to get into corners. It bends absolutely perfectly. So yeah, so it's just telling me it's just $12 for that one. So $12 is about £9, I suppose. I'm not really good with money conversion. So yeah, so I have put my box down here and I didn't really mean to, but here we go. Gonna pull out another item, and this one is what? Oh, this looks really nice. This is definitely my best box from the cruelty free. So we have a Holographs eyeshadow topper by Barry M. So yeah, so let's just have a look at the information on that. And right, so I'm just gonna get, Barry M is usually a good makeup product as well. So holographic eyeshadow topper. Right, so here we go, we got it there. Right, so this is retailing at about $4.99 on superdrug.com. So yep, so does it give me the information that I want? So yeah, so it just says, right, here we go. So Barry M holographic eyeshadow topper. It's just, when you look at the true definition of holographic, which pertains more to objects than makeup, it means that rather than looking flat, something has depth, effect, and can appear to move. There are plenty of self-proclaimed hollow makeup products that are just shiny and glittery, which doesn't make them hollow. I remember the very first time that I used a holographic nail polish. It truly did have a three-dimensional effect, as I thought it was fluid. And yeah, so just going on a little bit about a little story of it. So realistically, I want to see what it performs like and looks like, and I'm just going to try and open it up. Right, so just put this on pause. Pause while I open this. Right, I forgot to press record, so I'm actually going to go through this one more time again. Right, so I have got it on the web page now, and it does say it's a HD perfecting powder. It says apply all over the face. Once you've completed your makeup look, this will help to create a photo finish look and help prevent any black flash from the cameras. Yeah, you do need that. And the second tip is to use this product on any foundation or BB cream. Keep in place all day and prevent it from creasing. And so yeah, so this is a great product for the hottest trend. It also, you can use it for baking. So just put it on underneath your eyes and then brush it off with a brush, and it will make your eyes look more awake. So yeah, so as I'll just show you what it, there we go, there it is. And I will please just put a bit on of my cheekbones. So we have come to the end of this video. You can see my box is totally empty. If you liked this video and a little bit of reviewing the products, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.